and I'm here with you today to show you how easy it is to set up reminders using MyAssistant for Sage 300 construction. I've already got the software open here, and we're looking at the home page in MyAssistant Designer, and I've got a timesheet reminder that I'm going to use for our demo today. So if I show you how that was set up, I can simply open that reminder task. You can see all the different views that I have here on the left, and I've set this up in advance so you didn't have to watch me type. I've titled it my timesheet reminder. I can give it categories and subcategories to help better organize all my different tasks, and I can put in a full description of what it's intended to do. Showing you what's in the condition view, every task in MyAssistant runs using a condition, and MyAssistant comes with a reminder condition that you can use for this purpose. So that's what I've got as my condition. Under schedule, we need to tell it when to run the task, and I have it on a schedule, and I have a two-part schedule that I'll show you. I've got it to run at the same time on the 10th of every month and on the 25th of every month. So let's stay with this first schedule on the 10th of every month so I can show you the details. I tell it when to start. If I want it to run indefinitely, I don't set an end date. Tell it to run monthly at this time, on this day of the month, all 12 months of the year. Once I have my schedule set up, if I have multiple data folders, I need to tell it which data folder to run on. And then when I get to the email, this is kind of the heart and soul of the task. So what I do is I just click on the button to look at all my contacts to designate to whom the notifications are to be sent. And if I want it to come back to a specific person, like in this case myself, I designate myself in the reply to field. I give it a subject like any email. I can have attachments if I want. Here I have two. And I can have a little fun with the body of my email by using colors and symbols, and it'll also just flag anything that it thinks may be misspelled. So once I'm happy with that, I can go on to additional information. Here I've chosen not to attach anything else, but that is an option. Under notification options, I've set some things there, and if there are some security considerations I have, I can tell it at this point. So having gone through that, I'm going to say OK. And back here with that task highlighted, I'm going to say run and send. And we're going to wait for it to tell us it ran successfully. We're going to watch for an email to come in. There it is. And here I have my timesheet reminder with two fully functional attachments. And the important part here that I wanted to make sure that I told you was, if I were to click reply under normal conditions, it would go back to this generic email address of myassistant@fcatech.com. Because I designated myself in the reply to field, now when I click reply, it's automatically going to go back to me if I have any questions. So that's how it works. I enjoyed showing this to you, and that's all for today. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.